Hi everyone, this is your second lab about map projections and coordinate systems. For this map, you need to first create a lab2 folder within your GIS 3120 folder on your computer, and after that, you can download the data from Canvas into your lab2 folder. Next, open ArcGIS Pro and then create a new project, and you can give the project name and save it. Make sure you uncheck create a new folder for this project and click OK. Now you can go to the catalog pane and then scroll to your folder that you downloaded. Find the various shapefile and go to your properties. Go to the properties for make interstate shapefile and note down the spatial reference. The geographic coordinate system in this case is NAD 1983. Do the similar steps for make lex shapefile. Go to properties, spatial reference, and then note down the projected coordinate system as well as projection. Do the similar steps for make tracks commute shapefile. Go to spatial reference and then note down geographic coordinate system, which is NAD 1983. And then you can answer the questions that are given in the assignment. To observe the coordinate systems of the map, you can go to the properties for the map, and then you can see that the coordinate system is WGS 1984 wave marketer in this case. You can add various shape files to note down the differences in the coordinate system after you add. For instance, you can add make tracks commute shape file, and then now observe the coordinate system of the map. You can see that the coordinate system is now changed to new one, which is NAD 1983 in this case, and then click OK. Now you can answer the questions that are given and also note down the units. Next, you can add make lex file to the contents pane, and after adding that to the contents pane, you can observe the difference of map with another map. For that, you need to create a new map. In order to create map, you need to first go to insert and then click new map. Then a new map named map1 will be added. After that, you need to add the make tracks commute shapefile as well as make lex shapefile to the contents pane, and then you can observe the properties for the map. To do so, go to properties for map1 and then go to coordinate system. You can choose NAD 1983 state plane North Carolina FIPS 3200 and click make lex. Now we need to rename the maps to GCS map and PCS maps. You need to rename by going to the properties for the map and then going to general and then choosing the first map is GCS map and click OK. You need to do the similar process for map 1. Go to properties and then PCS map. So the maps are now renamed. Now after you rename these maps, go to view and then go to reset panes and then reset panes for mapping default. Make the GCS map active by clicking on its tab. And then after that, you need to go to insert and then go to new layout and then choose NC landscape layer. Now you can choose the map frame. You can choose the GCS map frame and add it. You can choose activate and then zoom in or zoom out to the desired scale. And when you are done with that, you can close the activation. You can also add the second map, PCS map, in the similar manner. For that, you need to go to insert and then click map frame and then PCS map, and then add this map also. Do the same step similar to the another map, and then you need to choose the representative faction area for this and make sure that they are set to the same scale. You can change them to 1:450,000 and make sure that both the scales are same for both the maps. And then we can do the similar process as we did for lab 1. You can add title, subtitles for each map, scale bar, north arrow, and also add source. To add title, scale bar, and other things, you can go to insert and then you can find the north arrow and everything that you can add similar to previous labs. And after you are done with all those, then you can share your map, go to share and then export your layout. I recommend you all to use the JPEG format because the maps will be of high quality and it is more clearer, and you can choose the name you want to assign, and then finally you can choose export and then export your map.